Happy Friday, everyone. Once again, I'm at the Desert Oasis Room here in Los Angeles, California. This week, we're going to be looking at a modern tiki recipe from one of the neo-tiki bars here in LA. This is Trinidadi Issues. Last week, we had a recipe from one of my favorite tiki legends, Ray Buhin. And this week, we're going to look at the other end of the spectrum of the modern tiki vanguard from another bartender, Chad Austin. Chad originally worked and partnered at a fantastic tiki bar in Palm Springs known as Bootlegger Tiki. But in the last 5 or 6 years, he's been working at a great tiki bar in Hollywood, California known as Lono. Recently named one of the most innovative tiki bartenders in the world, Chad Austin has been serving up some interesting modern takes on the exotic cocktail. In this case, his original recipe, Trinidadi Issues. So what's in that drink? Well, it's actually just going to be 3/4 ounce lime juice, 3/4 ounce pineapple juice, a 1/2 ounce Orgeat, a 1/2 ounce cinnamon syrup, 3/4 ounce Barbados Rum, and 1.5 ounces Angostura Bitters. Yes, 1.5 ounces of Angostura Bitters. Holy cow. That's the most bitter drink in the universe. And by the way, Angostura Bitters are a product of Trinidad, hence the namesake of this particular cocktail. All right, so let's get started on that drink. That's 3/4 ounce lime juice, 3/4 ounce pineapple juice, a 1/2 ounce of Orgeat, a 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup, 3/4 ounces of Barbados rum. In this case, we're using extra old plantation rum. Very nice. And 1.5 ounces of Angostura Bitters. Yes, we're going all in. There it is, all of it. We'll add a couple ice cubes to shake this up. This just chills the drink as we shake it. Also just sounds cool. Excellent. That's that. Now, have a Collins glass of crushed ice. Of course, this helps with some garnishes, as we've said before. Also just helps bring out the aroma. And speaking of aroma, this drink has a strong one with that 1 billion ounces of Angostura Bitters that's in there. Whew, man. Now let's strain it in. Look at that amazing color. All that Ango Bitters. Whoo! All right, now just toss a straw in there. And there you go, Trinidadi Issues by Chad Austin. Let's give it a shot. It's really good, actually, considering the billions of ounces of Angostura Bitters that we put in there. It's not actually too overpowering. It's fairly well balanced and an interesting take on the modern version of the exotic cocktail. That does it for this week. Thanks again to Adrian for letting me use the beautiful Desert Oasis Room, and check out his channel at youtube.com/PolynesianPop. Until next time, cheers. This is unbelievable. There's so much cool stuff here. What else can I say? I mean, all over the bar. Bartender, not in my future.